Hi everyone, I'm Malina Suchon. I am a visiting international student. I come from France, and last year I carried out a project with the Animal Welfare Program on the effect of social housing on dairy calves' competitive skills. So, as Joey said before, within cattle herds, social rank influences access to resources. There is thus a strong link between social skills and welfare. And to develop those social skills, early life experiences are important. In many dairy farms, cows are housed individually until being weaned. However, this social isolation is known to impair the development of normal behaviors. As Elizabeth mentioned, the Animal Welfare Program carried out a lot of studies to improve the housing of dairy calves. Here, we are looking at providing access to another calf early in life. So in this study, we compared two types of housing, individual and pair housing. Our calves were subjected to one of these housing treatments from 10 days of age. After 2 weeks of this treatment, they were subjected to a competition test for milk access. These tests were done over 5 days, and each calf was facing an unfamiliar group-housed calf. So here is a little video of a competition test. And as you can see, the two calves are running towards the milk bottle located at the bottom of the arena, and one calf is moving the other. Pair house calves showed better access to the milk bottle. As you can see on the graph on the left, pair house calves, here in red, were faster to approach the milk bottle than individually housed calves in blue. On the right, you can see that pair house calves spend more time drinking than individually housed calves. Concretely, individually housed calves were not able to keep access to the milk bottle. And after failing to access it for a few days, they gave up and were becoming slower and slower to approach the milk bottle, whereas pair house calves kept the same motivation. Those results align well with previous studies reporting that individually raised heifers showed lower social rank later in life, in comparison to socially reared heifers. It's interesting to see how a short exposure to social life can have a huge effect on the response to competition. Just providing a single pen mate for just 2 weeks is definitely improving their ability to compete. And going back to what Joey showed, cows have to compete in their daily adult life to access resources. These skills are just important to develop for their welfare, and providing a social environment early in life helps this development.